Hello everyone out in YouTube land. I'm going to show you how to make Reflectix window coverings for your car. It's really easy. Here we go. I took a plastic kitchen trash bag and opened it up flat, and then I put it in the window and I taped it around the edges, and then I ran the magic marker, the Sharpie pen, around the edge. Perfect. And now I'm cutting it out. Then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I have a piece of plastic now, and it's exactly the size and shape of the window. And the plastic works really well because, see, it almost kind of adheres to the window as it does here to the table. Now I'm going to take some Reflectix that I just bought at Home Depot. No, I guess it was Lowe's. And I think a roll like this costs like $20. Okay, so I have a piece of Reflectix, and I just lay that plastic right on top of it. I draw around it with a marking pen or Sharpie, and I cut it out. I have the perfect piece of Reflectix to fit that window. You can put a couple of pieces of tape on there to hold it while you're drawing around it so it doesn't slide around. Okay, so I have this piece, and I checked it in the window of the car, and it fits perfectly. So I'm just going to cut out another one exactly like it. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching me make the Reflectix for my new car, and I hope it helps you in some way. We'll see you next time. Adios. Jesus loves you. Mwah. Be sure and subscribe.